what is the concept required, what are the different types of questions you are going to get. Okay, so I'm going to explain you the difficult model later on. Slowly I'll come to the other model, step by step model I'm going to cover to you. So the one model of the question that you are going to get on exponential functions in SAT is called word problem. Word problem. I always had this habit. Let student try, fail, then I explain them how easily they can solve. Then they'll become my fans. Not my fans. They'll be easily, happily able to solve in the exam. That is what finally I want. So these are all similar questions you can expect in the exam, but my own questions which I made, you can expect similar questions. So let me give you one or two questions. You fail to solve or you don't know how to solve, then I explain you the way to solve, then definitely easily you'll be able to solve. So first what I'm explaining is 100% you get one question, that too in section 4, it is level 5 question. In between 25 to 30 you get one question based on the exponential functions. Multiple choice questions, section 4, generally between 25 to 30. Now in the next 10 to 15 minutes, I'll make everyone in the class to become perfect how to approach and solve such type of questions. So let us see what are the types of exponential functions questions you are going to get. I'm going to give you some time, 2 minutes. I expect everyone to solve, and whatever the answer, whatever you feel like, you type your answer. If you cannot understand my wonderful writing, I'm going to read this. A TV channel currently has 3,000 subscribers. If the number of subscribers doubles every 3 months, which of the following function P gives the number of subscribers TV channel will have 3 years from now? Please don't mind, no punctuations, some grammatical mistakes. I'm not so good in English yet, something my own language. And I gave you 4 options, but you will get such question in section 4, 25 to 30, one question pakka. So try to solve and give me your answer. Whether you give or not, right or wrong, I'm least concerned. But if you are not trying, when I explain you the logic, you'll not understand. So everyone start your question and type your answer. You have maximum 2 minutes. If you can answer in less than 1 minute, I'm most happy. What can be answer for this? Most important models. And 95% students, if they don't prepare, they make mistakes. Right now, you'll realize. Start. Very good. Some 3 students have answered something there. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Very good. Very good. Everyone, whatever you feel like, you type the answer. You'll get similar question, one question. Very good. Perfect. Very happy. Very good. Very good. Very good. Even others. It's not math. No mathematical skills are required for this. Thinking skills are required. Try. Whether it is right or wrong, give me some answer. I'll give you one more question. You try that, then I'll explain you how I solve. Then definitely you'll enjoy. You can solve any question. Within 10 minutes, I'll make you perfect in these questions. You need to look into the way that I solve these questions. Very good. Very good. Lahari, Sarsi, Swati, Penela, Sandesh, Likit, Harshit. Okay. I think around 17 students gave me answer. Some said A, some said B, few said C, few said D. I'll come back in next 1 second and I'll tell you what should be the answer for that or how to approach those types of questions. Okay. Okay. Try to do 12th question. I'll read 12th question also for you. Again, I'll give you maximum 2 minutes. A radio, then I'll explain you how to solve these questions here, because do you know what is the best way to do? What is the best way to learn? Fail in that, then realize the way to solve them, you'll never forget. That is a principle I follow. So 2 more students gave me answer. Just let me look into them. Junaid and Varun gave me. Very good. Now next question. A radioactive substance decays at the rate of 16%. If the initial amount of the substance is 500 grams, Which of the following function models the remaining amount of substance in grams t years later? And I give 4 options to you. So try to give me sincere efforts. Then I'll explain you both these questions. See how I am thinking. You'll never forget. You'll enjoy solving these questions. Sorry, yeah, some news. Yeah. Okay. Able to see, yeah, then I leave it. Yeah. Solve these both the questions. Everyone should attempt this question to please give me your answer. Then I'll explain you how to approach. Very good. 5 students gave me answer. Okay. Okay. Read the question carefully. Read the question carefully. If you cannot understand my writing, let me know. I'll read it for you. Very good. Excellent. A radioactive substance decays at the rate of 16%. If the initial amount of the substance is 500 grams, which of the following functions models the remaining amount of substance in grams t years later? Very good. Students are rocking. Very good. Yeah, some 12 students or 14 students gave me answer. Even others gave me your answer. Very good. Very good. Very good. Excellent. Okay. So now listen to me. Answer for 12th one should be because there is remaining substance in it. So A, B, C, D. So remaining decay system remaining should be C for Chennai should be answer for 12th one. And number of series doubles every 3 months. Every 3 months. Which of the following function P gives the number of subscribers TV channel will have T years from now? So initially 3 months. Okay, let me solve this question only here and explain it to you. So why these questions are difficult is students don't read at all. When I say don't read, they have something in their mind and they think, so clearly 12th question is asking how much is remaining. People will think, sir, how much has expired? First and the most important thing is please identify what is asking for. Which of the following function gives the number of subscribers TV channel will have when T years from now? Means after 1 year, after 2 years, after 3 years. But what is the question? A TV channel has currently 3000 subscribers. If the number of subscribers doubles every 3 months, it is not doubling every 1 year or every 2 years. That is where they catch us. That is where we should be very serious. So doubling every 3 months. So initially when 0 months, if I have 3000, when 3 months, 3 months is how much? 1/4 of an year because he's asking in years. So when t equal to 1/4, when t equal to 1/4, what should be my number of population? What should be the number of TV subscribers? 6000. You should be so smart. Sir, I thought something else. Who want what you thought? So if t is the years, 3 months is years is 1/4. 3/12 is 1/4 in years. So 3 months is 1/4 of an year. 90% of them gave D for Delhi as answer here. Very few has given C for Chennai. I'll see who has given for C for Chennai. Whatever it is. Now, after 6 months, what should be the number of subscribers? 12,000. So what I meant to do, what I meant to say when you are solving such type of questions, first read the question. Always initial value when t equal to 0. What is the p value? 3000. The number of subscribers is 3000. When t is equal to 3 months, means when t is equal to 3 months, but they're not asking months, they are giving years. So always 3 months is 1/4. If I say I have 100000000, if I say, what is this? I'm an idiot. If I say I have $1,000,000, we need to be very careful with what I'm saying there. If I say I have 1 lakh paise, I'll give slap or get out what you don't have anything. If I say I have $1 lakh, $1 lakh is 75 lakhs. Decent amount. $10 lakh is 7.5 crores. So we should always identify what is asking. If T represents the number of years, so read the question. Always do in terms of numbers. Take numbers. Don't try to use your brain. I am not intelligent. At the same way, you are not intelligent. But we are good at listening, reading, identifying what has given. So always identify and take the numbers. And doubles every 3 months, very good. So when T equal to 3, but I don't want months because he is asking in terms of years. So 3 months is same as 1/4 of an year. So when I replace T equal to 1/4, I should get 6,000 as my answer. When T is equal to 6 months, when T is equal to 6 months, 1 second here, yeah. So when T is equal to 6 months, means I don't want months, I want in years. So when T equal to 1/2, I should get 12,000. Sufficient. 2 to 3 numbers is sufficient. I don't think I am intelligent. I don't use any formulas. I use basic math. But my thinking is extraordinary. I think from basic. You should also start thinking from basic if you want to get good score in SAT. If you think I am an IITN or if you think I am that this, nothing will work to me. So think from basic and always take these values. And when you are taking values, you need to be careful. See whether it's given in years, whether he's asking how much amount is left or how much is remaining. So we need to give attention to what is asking. How much is the population T years from now? Clearly, I'm asking T years from now. So now I have a table. T is the time in years. P of T is the population. When time in years is 0, population should be 3,000. When time is 1/4, it should be 6,000. Just 1 second here. Penny is doing some actions. It's not allowing me to. Yeah. When T is equal to 1/4, it should be 6,000. When T is equal to, just 1 second. Yeah. So when T is equal to 1/4, it should be 6,000. When T is equal to 1/2, it should be 12,000. So just plug in these values. Just plug in those values. So just 1 second. Pen is doing some hangama here. It will write again. Yes, it will write. Yeah. When T is equal to 1/4, why 1/4? Why not 3? It is 6,000. When T is equal to 6, 1/2, 12,000. Okay. Yeah. So now put T equal to 0. When I put T equal to 0, 3,000 to the power of 0 is 1. So 2. Happily wrong answer. Put T equal to 0. I'm getting 3,000. So don't hurry up and mark as the answer. Might be correct or might not be correct. I don't know. Now put T equal to 0. Again, I got 3,000 because 2 power 0 is 1. Again, put T equal to 0. Again, I get 3,000. So when I put for T equal to 0, I'm able to eliminate only one option. So A for Agra can never ever be answered. If any student have said A for Agra, I'll beat him left and right if he would have been there before me. Luckily, none of you are before me. Now put T equal to 1/4. Why should I put T equal to 1/4? Because I'm asking in years, but I said it, I'm doubling for every 3 months. So I should put T equal to 1/4 because 3 months is 1/4 of an year. Now put T equal to 1/4. So when I put T equal to 1/4, 3,000 into 2 power 1/4, is it 6,000? Never ever 6,000 because 3,000 into 2 is 6,000, not 2 power 1/4. So happily A and B are gone. Now put T equal to 1/4. Yes, I'm getting 3,000 into 2, which is 6,000. Might be correct. Don't hurry up. Check option D. I get 3,000 into 2 power 1/4/4, 1/16, meaningless. So happily C for Chennai is answer. See how simple is the question here. Do I need to know some high level math? Do I need to know some exponential functions or logarithmic functions? Nothing I am required to know. What I am required to know? Basic, sincere thinking and putting on the paper neatly. Sir, I don't put anything. Everything I calculate in my mind. By God's grace, I want to get marks without hard working. Is not possible. I hope everyone understood first question. So whenever you get you definitely get one question based on the exponential function word problems in your SAT paper. Pakka, guaranteed. And this is how you need to approach. see what he is asking for and make a table and plug in the values and eliminate. If not, you don't believe 90% of the students, if you want to give this question, I'll take photo and give it to your best friend whom you think who get 98 or 99 in math. Do you think they can solve? 99% they cannot solve. If you think, you can definitely solve. Okay, now let me go to 12th question and let me explain, and along with me everyone will do. Okay, yeah. A radioactive substance decays at the rate of 16%. If the initial amount of the substance is 500 grams, which of the following function P mod the remaining amount of the substance in grams T years later? Okay. So what they had mentioned here, they had mentioned that T and the remaining amount R of T when T equal to 0. What is the initial amount? 500. When T equal to 1, what is the remaining amount? How much is going? 16%. So 16% means 16 by 100 into 500. This is a calculator based question. 16 into 5 is 80. Out of 500 rupees, you spent 80 rupees. So how much amount is left with you? 420. After 2 years, if you still want to calculate, in this again, you need to spend 16% minus 16% of 420. You get some value, don't worry. They will not be so complicated, which means with two values, definitely I can find answer. Put T equal to 0. I got 500. Don't be happy and mark it. He's asking remaining amount. So might be correct. Put T equal to 0. I get 0.16. Meaningless. Happily cancel B for Bangalore. Done. Gone. Now put T equal to 0. I get 500. Now put T equal to 0. I get 0.84. So D is also meaningless. B is meaningless. D is meaningless. Answer should be either between A and C. Now between A and C, now put T equal to 1. When I put T equal to 1, 500 into 0.16 is 80, not 420. 500 into 0.84 is 420. So answer is C for Chennai. There are many things I know, many formulas. 1 minus R, A is equal to P into 1 minus R by 100 whole power T. Even I am. So if you believe on formulas, we become full end of the day in SAT. SAT wants basic thinking skills. See how simple. I want to know how much is remaining if it is decreasing at the rate of 16%. Happily answer for this should be C. I don't know how many of you solved both the questions correct in less than 1 minute. If you can solve both the questions correct in less than 1 minute, you are very good at thinking. If you could not solve, no problem. Who is a wise man in this world? Who is a happy man in this world? Who identify his mistakes and work on them? There are some students who will never be happy. Do you know who are never happy? Who always scribbles on, I don't know that, I don't know this, what will happen if Arre Bhaiya ji, concentrate on what you need to do so that you'll become perfect in that. Instead of that, if I don't get good score in SAT, if I get good score in SAT, also if I don't get that university scholarship won't all Bhaiya now. What should we focus on now? Focus on always at the present moment. Means solving the questions, understanding the best way to solve the questions. Then you'll become a wise man or happy man in life. Be a happy man, not a rich man or healthy man should be. If you are happy, definitely will be healthier. So how to solve exponential linear word problems? Use the information table and clearly identify what is asking for. Don't use, sir, I thought how much has been vanished or how much has been decaying. Then that is your question. That is not college board question. How do you expect college board will give you the marks? They can never ever give you the marks. From now on, you should be happy or you should be looking when I'll get these questions so that I can solve them. I'll give you one more question and let me see how many of you can answer. If anyone has doubts or if you think my explanation is not clear to you, you please stop me. I'll be happy to explain here, but please be wise man. And at the end of the day means you should know what you need to do. 14th question, I'm giving you only 1 minute. Let me see. Sorry, I'll give you 2 minutes. Let me see how many of you can solve. Start. 14th question. Very good. Everyone should answer actively. And you will get similar question only. Very good. Excellent. Excellent. Junaid answered, Abhiram answered, Sandesh answered, but some people are saying B, some are saying D, that is up to you. Abhinav answered, Srija answered, Bhupen answered, Aditya answered. Okay. Aditya, Bhupen, Sahasra, Srija, Abhinav, Sandesh, Abhiram, Junaid, Pawan Kumar, Lahari. Sorry. Yes, so many people I left in between. Vardhan, Mayuka, Varun, Anushka, okay, Harshit, Bhanutej, Venela, Manasvi, Likit. Why are some of you are saying B, some of you are saying C, some of you are saying D? Not good. So you still make mistake. It is not that you are not intelligent to me. We need to realize, I told you, right? You need to be wise man, means happy man in life. How? You need to understand where I am making mistake and I should not repeat that. Now, let me see. Okay, most of you answered. I'm very happy. Some of you, very few have not answered. Not good here. In my class, whether you are MPC, BIPC, MEC, CEC, HEC, 10th class, 9th class, 11th class, I'm least concerned. You need to get 800 if you're in my class. It is my prestige issue also, right? Yeah, you need to get 800. No answer changes here. Change here, but in exam will not have time, so much time to change. Okay, now a zookeeper estimates the animals in the zoo will decrease by 14% every 15 years because of the climate change. If the present animal count in the zoo is 70,000, which of the following expression represents the estimated population of the zoo T years from now? Very good. So I want the population T years from now. So T and the population, when initial population, it should be 70,000. After 15 years, it should be decreased by 14%, means 70,000 minus 14% of 70,000. So there are two ways to do here. One way is do this nonsense calculation. Other way to become smart is, okay, 70,000 minus 14% of 17,000 means percent means one. I'll teach you percentages. You'll become perfect in percentages. I need 1 or 2 classes. I'll teach you definitely very soon. I'll teach you percentages. Then you'll understand. Decreasing by 14%. So instead of calculation, the best way is take 70,000 common. Then 70,000 is 1 minus 14 by 100 is 0.14. So I get 70,000. 1 minus 0.84 is 0.86. This should be my answer. When? After 15 years. Sir, I have wonderful calculator. My parent has gifted me graphic calculator. Why should I use my brain? Then don't use. Just you write 14 by 100 or 14% of 70,000. 14 by 100 is 70,000. So 0 cancel. 14 into 17. 700 is 9,800. So 70,000 minus 9,800 is 60,200. So your wonderful calculator will give 60,200. So plug in option T equal to 15 and see where you get 60,200. That is one way, but be smart end of the day. So again, you can also do 30, but I'm 100% sure when they use such questions, they don't give so much complicated. Means with these two values, I'm sure I can eliminate the options. Now put T equal to 0, I should get 70,000. 70,000, 70,000, 70,000. Paper setter is idiot here. He gave all 70,000. So T equal to 0 is meaningless. I cannot get anything from that. Now put T equal to 15. When I put T equal to 15, 70,000 into 0.14 to the power of 15 into 15 is 225. 70,000 into, I want 0.86, not 70,000 into 0.14 to the power of 225, definitely meaningless. Put T equal to 15, it gives 70,000 into, B for Bangalore would have been answer if he's asking how much it is decreasing, by how much. Which of the following equation represents by how much the population of Jew has decreased T years from now? Definitely B for Bangalore would have been answer. But he's not asking, he's asking represents the estimated remaining population. So 70,000 into, now put 15. I want 70,000 into 0.86. So when I put t equal to 15 in option C, I get 70,000 into 0.86 to the power of 225. Meaningless. I want 70,000 into 0.86. Now when I put t equal to 15, here I get 70,000 into 0.86. How simple. To look, definitely it is difficult question here. Don't think easy question. If you want, you give it this question to the best students whom do you think are very good. Many of them will make mistakes. They can't even read. By the time they read the question, they lose confidence. First, whenever you see these four options, yes, this is an exponential function question. Venkat explained us the method to solve exponential. Just take it, attack it, take the given information, see finally what I want, attack it and solve. We will be the winner in the class, in the exam. We need to approach topic wise questions. Give me any question SAT, first I'll tell is, okay, this is from this topic. My mind will strike, okay, I need to approach this method. I'll do that method. I'll be thankful to my teacher because he has explained the best method, but I'll be thankful to him when I can solve in the exam. Leave it. Now, D for Delhi is the answer. So students who got other options should realize now what is the mistake you are making. If you don't realize what is the mistake you are making, even if I give 10 questions, 20 questions, 30 questions, my mouth, really I'm telling, I'm speaking from morning here, only tiredness will come, nothing else will come. Okay, I'll give you one more question. After this, I'll send you at least 5 to 10 actual original similar questions. You need to solve them. If you can solve them, you'll become perfect. Now, let me solve one more question. If there is one more, it is very good. One more, very good. One more. Yes, I have one more. Solve 20th question. Very good. Everyone attempt, try to read the question. If my handwriting is not clear, director of a company predicts that the profit of his company will double in size for every 5 years. Very happy, right? But 5 years is a good time, but doubling profit is very good. So the director of a company predicts that the profit of a company, his company will double in size for every 5 years. The profit of the beginning of 2019 was estimated to be $25,000. If P represents the profit n years after 2019, then which of the following equation represents the company profit over time? It's so simple. Initial population they gave. Okay, I want to know which of the following equation can double my profit for every 5 years. Which of the following equation can be used that will double my profit in every 5 years? Very good. 11 students gave me answer here. I'm not sure if it is correct or wrong. Fourteen students gave me answer. Everyone should give whether right or wrong. Next step means there are almost 12, 8 more students are there. 7 more students are there. Seventeen students have given. Just 5 more students needs to give. Okay, I'm leaving those 5 students. Most of the students gave D. Very few gave A, B, C. 90% of students gave D for Delhi as answer here. I don't know if it is correct. If it is correct, I'm the most happiest person because most of them gave that. But let me read the question. I do the same method. If you are not following, I can't do here. If you follow, definitely you'll get answer. Now let us see the method that I follow. Director of a company predicts that the profit of his company will double in size for every 5 years. The profit at the beginning of the 2019 was estimated to be $25,000. If P represents the profit n years after 2019, then which of the following equation represents the company profit over time? Very good. So now this is how it starts. N represents the time after 2019, means initial years. So when t equal to 0, I don't use red color here. Now t and p. So when t equal to 0, initially what is my profit? 25,000. After 5 years, what should my profit? 50,000. After 10 years, what should be my profit? $1 lakh. Now put t equal to 0, I should get 25,000, 25,000, 25,000. So sorry, A for Agra is wrong because 5 by 0 is infinity. 2 power infinity to 25 lakh, 25,000 is some infinity dollars. I'll be very happy if I have such amount. No need to teach nothing. Enjoy the life. But A for Agra is meaningless because when I keep n equal to 0, it is not 25,000. So B for Bangalore is 25,000. C for Chennai is wrong because 25,000 into 2 power 0 plus 5 is 2 power 5. 25,000 into 32 is not 25,000. So A and C are gone cases. Again, this question paper setter is very good. I only made it. Before I spoiled myself, now I'm praising myself because I can eliminate happily 2 options. Before I cannot eliminate any options. So I got angry. Now D for Delhi, let me put, when I put n is equal to 0, I'm getting 25,000. So answer should be between B and D. Now put t equal to 5. When I put t equal to 5, I'm getting profit as 25,000 into 2 power 25, which is some crores. You can live for entire life, spending every day 10 lakhs. But I'm getting only 50,000 now, yeah. So how B for Bangalore is answer? Now put in D for Delhi. When I put n is equal to 5, yes, I'm getting 50,000. Yes, wonderful option is D for Delhi. Now let me see how many of you have given me answer as D for Delhi. I'll be happy. Okay, okay. Anushka has given me D for Delhi as answer. Harshit, Aditya, Bhanutesh, Mayuka, Sandesh, Pavan, Lahari. No, not Lahari. Likit. So I think these people have given me D for Delhi as answer, which is very good. So now I hope everyone is clear with this model. Pakka, you get one question on this model, and this is how you need to approach. The moment you approach this way, you will solve. Okay. Everyone has clarity with this type of question. Now I'll go to the next model that you are going to get in terms of exam. One model I explained, word problem. Pakka, you get one question. That too most difficult question. But if you saw the way I'm explained you, see. Initially, very few can solve, but right now, 17, 18 students gave. Out of them, 90% gave me D for Delhi. Who made mistake? You can do 2 things. Feel bad, no use. You see where you have made mistake and don't repeat the mistake. You are the wise man. Student who did not solve at all, now you need to realize why you did not even attempt. So you should realize and attempt for the next question. Now, next model that you are going to get is, keep heading as exponential increasing function. Exponential, next model questions. Exponential increasing function, exponential decreasing function. Next model questions. One is exponential increasing function. Next is exponential decreasing function questions. So now, what is exponential function? What is exponential increasing? What is exponential decreasing? I'll teach you from basic. Listen to me carefully. For next 5 minutes, your focus, your thinking, everything should be on my words. Now, exponential function. What is an exponential function? Simple. So now, in test 1, you got 5 marks. Test 2, you got 10 marks. Test 3, you got 15 marks. Test 4, you got 20 marks. Test 5, you got 25 marks. Test 6, you got 30 marks. Test 7, you got 35 marks. Assume. This is student A. Now student B is there. Test 1, you got 1 mark. Test 2, you got 2 marks. Test 3, 4 marks. 8 marks. 16 marks. 32 marks. 64 marks. See. What wonder here. He's looking like so cheap person here, but at the end of the day, you can see almost double. Exponential is always interesting in life. Either you take world's richest man, anyone, Bill Gates or Warren Buffett, anyone. Do you know who becomes rich in this world? The person who is smart and he invests in exponentially growing asset. Exponential is the most important, not because I get question in SAT. It is important if you want to become rich in life. Any investment that you keep this word in your mind, any investment that gives you genuine exponentially increasing investment means you are the one of the wisest person in this world. If you can invest in those type of investments, no one can stop you from becoming rich. If it is a false, if it is not genuine, first of all genuine, then exponentially increasing function. Very good. Now let us see what will happen here. So what I'm saying, student A is there, student B is there. Student A got 5 marks, 10 marks, 15 marks, 20 marks, 25 marks, 30 marks, 35 marks. If you see the number of marks that he obtained, what is happening here? The number of marks he obtained is increasing by 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Now, if I see in second student case, doubling, 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 doubling. So, if you, what is an exponential function? Exponential function is something gets multiplied. What is a linear function? Is something that gets added or subtracted. Now we are doing it. I think someone has unmuted here. Make sure that everyone mute yourself here. Someone has unmuted. Okay. Now, yeah. So what is an exponential function? Exponential means multiplication. You know multiplications? Exponential means multiplication. Now I have two things here. Increasing and decreasing. What is the meaning of increasing? Multiplying with a number greater than 1. I'm multiplying with 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So this is an exponential increasing function or decreasing function? Definitely every word that I'm speaking in the class is important. If you can remember or understand the every word that I'm speaking in the class, in exam, you will get 58 out of 58 in math. Getting 58 out of 58 in math is very difficult. Out of 1,000, one will get. But I can confidently say how many students will get 800. It is not that it is easy or difficult. They have attention to the point. Students who have attention to the point are only will be the winners at the end of the day. So now what is an exponential function? Exponential function is something that gets multiplied. Now two things are there. I can multiply. So I'll show you another student. Student A and student B. He got 100 marks. He got 50 marks. He got 25 marks. He got 25 by 2 marks, that is 12.5. He got 25 by 4, that is 6.25. He got 25 by 4, that is 3.125. There's another student who got 1 mark. He got 1 mark, or he got 2 marks. He got 3 marks. He got 4.5 marks. He got 4.5 into 3. 1.5 is assume here some 6.75 something marks. So what is happening here? This is also exponential. Why? Because I need to multiply 100 with 1 by 2 to get 50. I need to multiply 50 with 1 by 2 to get 25. I need to multiply 25 with 1 by 2 to get 25 by 2. I need to multiply. Again, I'm multiplying here also. I need to multiply 2 with 1.5 to get 3. 3 with 1.5 to get 4.5. 4.5 with 1.5. I'm sorry if this number is wrong. 4.5 into 1.5 number will be this number here. I'm also multiplying in the first case. I'm also multiplying in the second case. So, but what is the difference in my multiplication? What is the difference in my multiplication is the first case I'm multiplying with a number less than 1. In the second case, I'm multiplying with a number which is greater than 1. So if I multiply with a number greater than 1, it is an exponentially increasing function. That's it. Exponentially increasing function. If I multiply with a number which is greater than 1, it is an exponentially increasing function. If I multiply with a number, just 1 second, I forgot. Okay, I'm in class, you will receive here. Madam will send you in 2 minutes. Don't worry, I forgot. She will send you in 2 minutes. So if you are multiplying with a number greater than 1, it is called an exponentially increasing function. If you are multiplying with a number less than 1, it is said to be an exponentially decreasing function. So there are two things that you need to remember here. Now, I hope everyone understand what is an exponentially increasing and decreasing functions. How does they look? In terms of math, simple. Multiplying with a number greater than 1, multiplying with a number, but multiplication is only exponential. Okay, yeah. Now how does they look? The look is something like this is an exponential function, something like this is an exponentially decreasing function. How they look? So this is an exponentially decreasing function, this is an exponentially increasing function. Okay, yeah. I hope everyone understand what is an exponential increasing and decreasing function. Can I ask you one question based on this? Yeah, everyone solve this question and tell me your answer. This will be all. Tell me answer for 15th. Excellent question. Let me see how many of you can answer. Yeah. So which of the following should be answered? The mass of the base biotic factor triples every year. Which of the following graph could model the mass of the biotic factor as a function of time t? 7 students have given me answer. 8 students, 9 students, 10 students have given me the answer. Should be serious, sir. Abhinav gave me answer. Mayuka gave me answer. Swati gave me answer. Likit gave me answer. Bhanutej gave me answer. Bhupen gave me answer. Pawan gave me answer. Srija gave me answer. Junaid gave me answer. Sandesh gave me answer. Manaswini gave me answer. Aditya gave me answer. Lahari gave me answer. Abhiram gave me answer. I'm shouting and shouting and tell you. Okay. What did I told you just now? Triples every year becomes 3 times. Triples every year becomes 3 times, means it is an exponentially, it is becoming 1 is becoming 3, 3 is becoming 9, 9 is becoming 27, 27 is becoming 81. Means what is happening here? Nonsense, nothing is happening. Getting increasing triple. So which of the following is exponential? This is a linear, this is a line, linear. Only exponential function I can see. I also drawn and showed here how does an exponential function looks like. This of exponential function looks like, this of exponentially function look like, increasing, decreasing. That is why I say my class are most important. They give just like these questions. They want to know how many of you know basic of exponential function. Definitely can get like this exponential function question in exam, and you don't believe 90%. They say okay, triple something something they'll do. Who have idea? But they will attack. Most of you are given C for Chennai as answer. Why? You understood what I meant to say. So at least now, if you did wrong, I'm very happy because you are getting an opportunity to learn. You'll never make mistakes if you learn that. So what is the answer? C for Chennai. Why C for Chennai? Because it is becoming 3 times every year. And one more thing is, some of you who completed, who are in 12th grade and who want to write in August, so August dates have opened. Booking date is very simple. But if you are not prepared, don't book. If you are sincere and if you are preparing, you are ready to work hard, please do. And even students who are in Hyderabad, my office is fully open from morning to evening. Full-time English faculties are there. Even sometimes I come there. So if you want to come to office and learn, you are most welcome. I say one thing. Do you know who is successful student? Yesterday, 15 students from US came and met me. Every day they meet me. Even today, I think 3 students came, but yesterday 15 students came. That is the respect everyone will have on me because we are different. I am different, definitely. So when I'm speaking with them, I'm so happy. I see some of them getting very good grades. Most of them are successful. Some of them are failures, or some of them won't get SAT scores. Many of them will get very good SAT scores. Who follows up with the teacher is the one who gets. If a parent or a teacher is following up with the student to study, you are wasting your time. He can never get it there because his priority is not SAT. His priority is something else. Time passing. No one can help. If my priority is getting set, why will I waste my time? Definitely my focus is something else. So means if a student is irritating teacher, means not wantedly, because he want to get more score, he want to improve, I can go beyond my thing, anything. I never look for monetary. Money is definitely important, but more than that, I always think in mind. You don't believe. Yesterday night, 1, 2 o'clock, I'm thinking whom to call for IELTS class, whom to call for SAT class. Today morning, but I thought early morning they will not get up around 8 or 9. I called some of the parents and asked them, can you come offline or online? Because something is going on in mind. How to help them? Exam is coming in next 3 months. I am more worried. That worry, if you have, pakka you'll get good scores. And very easy to get good score in SAT. Very easy. Math, pakka you can get 800 if you can blindly follow what I'm teaching and you practice. But that interest and sincerity should be there with you. And if you are a student who, if you are facing a problem, you'll get disheartened, you get disappointed. No, you'll never be a successful person. You can never raise back. You can never raise back. I think 2018 to 19 passed out students here. Just today only I'm seeing, because I sent some message. I'll just show you if it is possible. Okay, I'll leave it now. So today only they created one group, Venkat Sir students group, something 2018 to 19 students, around some, that time some 30-40 students from one campus went. So just today I send them one message. Please accept my, please follow me in Instagram group. We started some digital marketing. I don't know what is Instagram. Yesterday only I created account here too. Before that, I don't know what is. I might know, but I never used that. I never created. I messaged them. Then I saw icon. When I clicked on icon, I was a bit happy. So there, the message is there. What is this? So if opportunity does not what is this, knock you, you should create the door. Means if there is no opportunity, you need to create the opportunity. That sentence is exactly very good. I'll try to share with you after the class. Take photo and share with you. You should be like this. You need to create opportunity. If you are a student who is worrying, who is feeling bad, who is addicted to something else other than studies, you can never get good scores. Don't look for temporary enjoyment, eating, chatting, drinking. Many things are there. All temporary enjoyments will create you, increase your body weight, make your brain become dumb. At the end of the day, after 3 years, after 4 years, after 5 years, at least once you get married, you'll realize, why did I waste my life? That is why I'm like this. My friend has been doing something else. He has been in that position. Useless. Then thinking, no, you are the sinner. Your parents tried to help you, are the sinner. You did not create opportunities. You are always negative mind. What we can do? No, be positive mind. Always follow up with, select one mentor, and you need to know, you should be smart enough when you have a problem, whom to approach and get the problem resolved. If you are of such candidate student, you are the winner here. You are the winner. No one can stop you from winning. SAT getting 1400 is dead easy. Just follow your English teacher. Math, you have any problems in English or math or anything, approach me and ask me what you want. Pakka will help you. If something is not going as you planned, ask. I'm not teaching you free, I'm charging you. So you have right to ask. But at the same time, concentration and be a wise man. When I say wise man, you should know what will help you to improve as a person. That's it. Worrying, all nonsense, I never like. If you are of that mentality, only God should help you. Now, let me see how many of you can solve 13th question. It is also based on the concept that I explained you right now, exponential growth and exponential decay. Yeah, you have 1 minute to solve this and tell me answer. Start. Your time starts now. I'll take extra 10 minutes because I started 5-6 minutes late. So till 8:10, 8:15, I'll take class here. 2-3 more questions, concepts will do. Tell me answer for 13th question. Fast. Just now I'm reading one message. Read this question. I'll tell you what is the message I read. I was very happy to read such messages. I'll tell you what is that. 5 students answered very good. Even others attempt. He's asking which of the following is an exponential yield, means exponentially increasing. We know exponentially increasing. Venkat said one very important point. Exponentially increasing means multiplying with a number. With what number? A number greater than 1. See where you are multiplying with a number greater than 1. As simple as that. If you know where you need to multiply with a number greater than 1, you are the winner. 12 students answered. I'm very happy. Even others, just move it. Which of the following would yield exponentially? I also told you what is linear, what is exponential. I gave you 5, 10, 15, 1, 2, 4, 6 explanations in a simple manner, simple way where everyone can understand. Okay, okay, okay. 14 students gave me answer. Bhupen gave me answer. Lahari gave me answer. Manasvi gave me answer. Sahasrija gave me answer. Aditya gave me answer. Likit gave me answer. Sandesh gave me answer. Abhiram gave me answer. Swati gave me answer. Bhavanu gave me answer. Mayuka gave me answer. Junaid gave me answer. Pawan gave me answer. But I should beat most of you people. Satvik gave me answer. So Abhiram gave me answer. So what should be the answer? What is the answer? Answer is A for Agra is an Alibaba answer. Wrong answer. B for Bangalore, 100% wrong answer. C for Chennai, 1000% correct answer. So what is the answer? C for Chennai should be your answer. Why C for Chennai? I told you simple things here before coming to exponential. What is linear? I told you linear is adding something, something is called linear. Now see the first option. Each successive year, 3% of the initial value is added. Initial value is 100. What is 3% of 100? 3. Every year they're adding 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So clearly A for Agra is a big Alibaba answer because I'm adding only 3 every year. I'm not multiplying by a number greater than 1. I told you in such simple words. Exponential means multiplying, greater than 1 increasing, less than 1 decreasing. So what is happening in option A? I'm adding the same number. The number, if it is not 100, if it is 1000, I'll add 30. If it is 10,000, I'll add 300. If it is 1 lakh, still it is adding. Even you are adding, it can never become exponential. It is linear only. So A for Agra is a big Alibaba answer, means it is wrong answer. Now come back to option B. Each successive year, 2% of the initial savings and $300. 2% of the savings, suppose it is $100, you are adding 2 plus 300. So every year you are adding 302, 302, 302, 302. These other beta baba answer, means other nonsense answer. That is Alibaba, that is beta baba, nothing else. Same, they're adding. So you should understand. Venkat said one important point: 5, 10, 15 adding. So same here, adding. I can never become. He also told, if you want to become rich, I need to be exponential function. So how A and B are answers here? Then how people are telling me A and B as answers here when I explain so clearly here? Now come to option C. Each successive year, 2% of the current value is added. Very good. See this, how this is going to turn out. Each successive year, 2% of the current value is added. Now it is 100. What is 2% of 100? 102 means I'm multiplying with 1.02. Again, add 2% of this, you get 104.4. Again, I need to multiply with 1.02. I'm multiplying with 1. Each successive 2% of the current value, x plus 2% of the x, means x into 2% is 1.02. I'm multiplying with 1.02. 2% of x means 1.02. I'm multiplying with a number greater than 1. So definitely it will give an exponential yield. See, when I'm explaining, you might think, what is there? I know everything. But how many of you can apply this? How many of you can get correct answer is important. D for Delhi is one meaningless answer because clearly is adding 700 every year. If anyone answered D for Delhi, I would have fed them like anything here because nonsense. They're adding 700, definitely a linear function. So my concepts, my teaching, listening, attention to detail is most important. That one point you miss, you solve 1000 questions. What is the use? You'll never become. So what you need to do to get good score? I told you, right? I'll tell you one important. I'm very happy to see that message. So I'll read as it is. Good evening, sir. I want to take the SAT again this August. Could you please suggest me anything to improve my score, especially in the reading and writing section? Should I read the same books for reading and writing again or any new books? I'm 100% sure that girl will definitely get more scores. She already got 14, 20. Still she want to write. She's so much eager to know what to improve in reading and writing part. That detailed attention when I have, since she's following up with us, definitely she'll get very good score. No one can stop her. Same thing at the same time, just if I read books, will I get scores? No, you need to understand where did I make mistake. What is the question? It's all about exponential function. Means I don't know what is an exponential function. First, let me read what is an exponential function and come back and do this. Then you are the winner. Okay, so please be independent. If you're not independent, once you go to university, you'll struggle. Many parents try to protect students in terms of giving extra books, extra tuitions. Spoon feeding will not work. Once you go abroad, every Friday you need to submit assignments. You don't know what professor is. Idiot professors are, and you cannot copy because everything you'll type. Plagiarism tools, they have thousands of plagiarism tools. Life becomes horrible if you are not independent. You think, why did I come here? Happily, I would have eaten chicken biryani and slept in Andhra itself or India itself. But you'll become lazy if you be here. But if you work hard, everything. If you are facing problem is, and it is problem is, if you can overcome that, it will help you in your life. That studies are like that. Within 1 or 2 years, you'll get hold of this. You'll get hold of life if you are focused and dedicated. That is the reason you are getting 70 lakhs, 1 crore, 2 crore salaries here, because you are independent. You know what you are doing. Okay, yeah, leave it. Now let me give another question. I explained two concepts. See how well we are able to do the questions on two concepts. There are 2-3 more concepts. Slowly I'll explain in next class. Right now I'll try to give you one more question on whatever I've been discussing. Excellent, 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 excellent. Let me see how many of you can solve seventh question. If you cannot understand seventh question, let me read out. World consumption of certain types of renewable energy since 2005. So how much is the renewable energy consumption since 2005 world? So x-axis number of years since 2005, y-axis consumption in millions tons of consumption in millions tons equivalent here. Okay, leave this one. This is the consumption in million tons, 30 million tons, 40 million tons. Some energy, there might be some units. So unit, so 30 million tons, 40 million tons is the consumption is y-axis. Which of the following equation best models the relationship between the variables in the scatter plot? Means this scatter plot is exponential function. So which of the following equation gives, I did not tell you one more thing. I'll tell you this immediately after this question. Which of the following gives the relationship between x and y? Try to answer this and give me your answer fast. Fast. I have so many works here. This will be the last question, and I'll explain one more simple thing about this. Then I'll see you in the next class, but I'll send you the work. Please do the work sincerely. Type your answer in the chat box. Whatever you feel like, you can type in the chat box. Fast. Okay, many students are giving answers. Very good. Okay, okay, okay. So students have typed their own answers. I'm happy here. If you have got answer, very good. If you did not get answer, also very good. Listen here. Is an exponential increasing function or decreasing function? Exponential increasing function means I need to multiply with a number greater than 1. So I'm multiplying with 3. 3 power x means multiplying with 3. 0.81x means multiplying with 0.81. 1.47 to the power of x means multiplying with 1.47. 30 power x means multiplying with 30. So B for Bangalore cannot be answered. So when x is equal to 1 also, it is around 30. Put x is equal to 175. Put x is equal to 750. So A and A are wrong. Put x is equal to 1, you get approximately 30. So C for Chennai should be your answer. Okay, as simple as that. So C for Chennai is your answer, not A. When I put A, when x is equal to 1 also, I should get 75, but it is around 25. Okay, yeah. So leave it. One more thing I want to say it, right? What is that is exponential function will be like this, or multiplying with a number greater than 1 for exponential increasing, or exponential function form is most important. Everyone focus should be here. Two students, I think they're in hurry and they left. They missed one of the most important point. What is the most important point is exponential function is of the form a into b power x. If b is greater than 1 means what is the meaning? I'm multiplying with 3. If b is less than 1 means what is the meaning? I'm multiplying with a number less than 1. So this is an exponentially decreasing function. This is an exponentially increasing function. Exponential function, x should be in power. So the moment x is in power, it is an exponential function. If b is greater than 1, exponentially increasing. If b is less than 1, exponentially decreasing function. As simple as that. Okay. So I told you some important points in today's class. I did not teach you much. I taught you very, very less, just 2-3 concepts. But definitely get 2 questions based on that. Every concept that I teach, you get a question based on that. I'll send you some assignment. I'll send you even this assignment, and I'll send you one more assignment in the group. Try to solve as many questions as possible. Some questions, if you cannot solve, you try to solve. When I explain the next class, you'll be able to solve them. Okay. So all the best. If you get 800 out of 800 in SAT math, even you by fluke, you'll get 400 in English. All mark A, you'll get 400. You are a bit intelligent, you'll get 500, 550. Getting 1300 to 1350 to 1400 is not that difficult at all in SAT if you are at least bit smart. Okay, so work according to that. I'll see you in the next class. Happy year. Take care. Bye then. Bye.